Hello there. Today, I want to talk about one of my all-time favorite painters, Pierre-Auguste Renoir. I'm a spokesperson for Friend for the Artists. Renoir was a French impressionist painter who lived from 1841 to 1919. Renoir applies the full range of colors on his color palette, whether it's the bright yellows and oranges of a sun-kissed meadow or the deep blues and purples of waterscapes. Renoir is able to capture the beauty that is both breathtaking and emotionally resonant. Renoir was also known for his ability to capture the dynamics of human interaction in his paintings. Whether it's a group of people having a picnic in a park, long dresses, seamstresses, or even women just combing their hair, Renoir's portraits are filled with life and energy. He is the most influential and beloved painter in the history of art.
Dean can't believe this actually happened.
He varnished. His painting and half of the colors seemed to melt into the darker colors. The colors were matching on the subject.
Here's the thing. Dean is doing an interpretation of Renoir's girl combing her hair. Instead of using oils, he's using gouache. In this interpretation, he's changing the background slightly. He noted by historians, Renoir used bright colors, so he saturated his colors a bit more.
Gouache is like watercolor paints. The difference is gouache is opaque. That's right, you can't see through the paint.
Gouache is an archival and great medium. Easy too. Just test your fixatives and varnishes.
The point is Dean has to find ways of protecting gouache paintings after completion. He's not going to do that now. However, he is going to throw out an unusual review of the Daler Rowner Gouache. You see, the bad painting is more than 10 years old. It was uncared for as well, since it failed.
You see, the painting should have faded a great deal more, since it was an inexpensive gouache. But it didn't. 10 years old plus cheap gouache usually equals fading.
Now Dean's going to put 3 sets of paintings up here. You should be able to tell the interpretation painting from the print and a JPG of the Renoir painting. You ready? Let's go!
Painting 1.
Number 2 and 3.
Painting 3. If you said 3, that's correct. The first picture is a JPEG from the public domain. The second picture is a print I own. The third picture is a photo straight out of a Nikon D3S. We adjusted the color temperature of the picture and straightened it up. By the way, we highly recommend a Nikon D3S.
We shot these pictures of the Nikon D3S with the Google Pixel Pro 7. The reason we are taking a moment to talk about them concerns the channel. We believe in taking our viewers from point A to Z. You will want to know how we do things. We show how we got from photo to painting with product reviews,
blending and ease of use.
The Daler Rowner Gouache blends easily, as you can see in the painting. It's easy to use and it dries quickly. You can reactivate with water if you need to add color, or just adjust the blending. The colors are vibrant enough to do what you see here.
Now, here's the problem. In a nutshell, an ingredient in this. Gouache won't work with this varnish. However, we are going to test this further. We believe light coats are fixative, or Dorland's wax can protect it.
Here's the cons.
This gouache will work for non-permanent use. Illustrations that are going to be copied are a good example of this. You will get the brilliant colors you need for illustration.
It has some archival qualities, but I wouldn't depend upon it for more than a year unless you can find a way to protect it with a finish. It isn't museum grade, and to be fair, they don't claim it.
The bottom line, it won't fail as a beginner gouache. Fun to use, easy to apply, good blending capabilities, and a great price at most stores. My example, even botched up still, isn't horrible. It is a good example of a mistake I'm hoping you won't make. Test all materials before you apply them.
It's time to quit this review. Join us as we are now on a quest to shoot more pictures our Nikon D3S. our Google Pixel Pro 7 for references and fine art photos.